Okay guys, check it out. 2001 Audi S4B5. It's a little dirty. It was at a shop. Guy couldn't get it fixed. It's my nephew's car. We figured it out Saturday night. There's a harness back there. That harness has got a broken wire in it, and we're going to fix it today. So we got to take off the intake tube and get some stuff out of our way, and then we will fix this harness, get this thing running. We put this motor in this winter, and then we had this harness problem. So anyways, I'm going to get that done today, and then we're going to detail this thing for him and go from there. Thanks guys, happy Monday.